Hello, hello, hello. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, guys? We hope that you're doing amazing. We hope that you're doing safe, that you're checking proper confirmations on these markets. Gold has been incredibly volatile. It has been crazy, as I always say. Anyways, guys, here we go. So just we have some prizes for you to watch and the trend lines to check out. So make sure that the price, if it remain above this trend line here and this important zone 4014 to 3995, it's very likely that the price can still buy if remains above this massive buy zone 3987 to 3947. But for now, keep a good eye on the price action because there's important area that the buyers they need to break, which is 4161, the key price to break. But the whole zone through 4161, and the key zone will be 4140 to 4161. So very important for buyers to also break that trend line above now and also break the zone. If it does possible, then that takes us to the new area, to the key zone to watch as well, which is uh, 4265 to 4293. So let's see if we have a proper breakout in here. So very likely, if the price is to go up, we're gonna have something like this: price at least closing in a 4 hour time frame above, retest, and keep going up to the next zone, and so on and so forth. Otherwise, if we see the price that is not getting uh, any breakout, most likely that we're gonna have the price trying to retest again in this area, at least the trend line, and going back up. Or the possibility is high to go to this massive area right here and collect more orders that they're probably waiting down here because the people like these prices to buy. So just we need to be careful because gold could be in the task of grabbing as much liquidity um, as possible until it goes to the next leg, which is basically going all the way up to 4,500. So it's very likely that it can even go deeper, but for now, we know that very important price that the gold need to respect is 3858. That's for me is the point when if that price goes or goes below that price, that this is going very, very deep. But for now, let's keep an eye on this area. Let's try to make money. And as always, check for confirmation. Remember, it's not financial advice. Anyways, that's about gold. Bitcoin is not much to say on Bitcoin. Going to the daily time frame again. Again, we explained this. Bitcoin failed to close above 113,000. So it's now coming back to the key price. So very likely that Bitcoin after this rejection, it could come around here, 105,157 or 103,050, or it may be below, but most likely we need to get more liquidity as well to keep going up. So that is, if that's the case, once again, we expecting 130,000. If the case is that the price then go below 100,000, then that's another story. That's probably for the graph of liquidity, to more liquidity, or would be just to keep dropping. It's very unstable, it's very unsettled at the moment, so just be careful. Always double check, always check your confirmations. Okay, now moving on. El Dorado FX free. Congratulations for those who got this amazing signal for free. We're talking about 210 pips straight away on sell. Congratulations for those who basically participate and their best on getting our signals. So now talking about El Dorado FX Premium, 500 pips today, as 8 trade, 6 wins, 1 sell, 1 break even, 75% win ratio. So amazing! Congratulations. You know we are here for you, anything you need. And also make sure that you subscribe to the free channel and that you also follow us, and then we can keep growing together. Okay, this was everything from us. This was analyzing with the effects. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.